Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Jen Sorensen and got my tea to keep me warm. I'm wearing my lily to try and channel spring because I'm kind of done with winter at this point. It's cold, it's blah. We don't have much snow here, so, and because I'm recording this a little bit early, that means that we're gonna get snow. And by the time this posts, there will be snow. So yeah, I just jinxed myself there. Anyway, you guys know I go down on tangents. Today, we are channeling spring with this soap, with the design and the colors, because, you know, it's something that I love to do, that I loved doing the first time with the Edna Mode soap, and that was the Butterfly Swirl. So I thought I'd kind of bring it back and try it a little bit different this time to see if I could get another kind of unique result. And I did, not without some challenges. So let's jump in, see what those challenges were. Spoiler, the soap got thick really fast because my oils weren't warm. And I think this is the soap where I figured all of that out. Anyway, let's jump in, see how I made this work, and then we'll come back here and check out the final product. Okay, I've got some fun colors here, and we are going to, again, we are new year, new techniques. We sort of attempted this one with Ode to Edna Mode with the Butterfly Swirl, but we're really gonna give this one a go. I've looked at a few videos and I think I have a few ideas of how I want to execute this. So let me blend this up real quick. Just pulsing it a little bit, stirring it, and I'm gonna give it a little bit more of a pulse here. All right, that's not separating, so I think we are in solid shape here. This is my usual oil blend, and I added in some kaolin clay and some coconut milk powder. So now I'm going to divide this up into a few different containers here, save a little bit of room for the fragrance oil. So I have, this one is Koi, the green one is Let Us Entertain You, and this pink one is Love Bite, I believe is what it's called. All from Mad Micas. And I'm gonna leave this one uncolored, just the natural, normal color. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'll start with the main base just because it'll help us know how this fragrance oil behaves. And this one, I thought because we're doing a butterfly swirl, I would do Linen Breeze. It seemed like a pretty fragrance that might, you know, work well, kind of sound like something that would go well with a butterfly swirl. This has, I think it's a dupe for one of the, I don't know if it's a laundry detergent, some sort of laundry soap, basically. All right, this is pretty good. That just blended up. I'll probably blend that a little bit more. A little bit in there, a little bit here, and a little bit there. And we'll finish it up in the main pot. I got these containers, these little ones, on sale at Wholesale Supply Plus recently just because they were on sale and I liked how little they were. They have these cute little handles. Aren't these little cute? I can't turn it. And then it's got a little spout here, which I thought would be really good. And I definitely feel this pretty good here. Gotta be gentle, careful. Why did I fill this so much? Because I got overly ambitious, that's why. Okay. Here we go, we're getting this in. I disperse, like I like to do, the colors in a little bit of olive oil beforehand because my base is about 40% olive oil, my soap mix, which helps make it really luxurious. The kaolin clay helps give it a really nice hand feel and slip. It also helps a fragrance retain in there, so it keeps that nice and strong. Means I don't have to add as much, and it just kind of keeps it longer. And then the coconut milk powder That one just helps with some of the bubbles, make it nice and creamy and lather up nice. So that one, that's why I do those. I add some sodium lactate, which is going to help it unmold and firm up. And a firm bar is going to last a bit longer. So, you know, in case you were wondering why I put what I put into the soap, that 'tis why. And this greens always turn a little bit more olivey, and when they are together, I'm seeing that as I blend in this fragrance oil, it'll turn overnight. It's amazing how these colors just morph and shift and do crazy things. Okay, this is coming together. Now, for the butterfly swirl, what I think I'm going to do, well, what I know I'm going to do. All right, how do these colors, I like these colors together. No, I'm not going to do anything to them. I'm going to leave them as is. Okay, this is firming up. Good, that's going to help us. I am going to put these colors off to the side. I'm going to pour, let's get this in frame for you. A lot of this in. Now, I'm just going to focus right next to me. All right, this pink is looking lovely. And I'm soaping at room temperature. I'm just kind of going to layer this here. Excellent. I think I will do the green next, or do I want to do orange? Let's do orange, because it's a little more set up. I'm trying to keep this all here on one side. Ooh, a little much, whatever. It's soap. Okay, now let's add the green. Okay, what I think I'm going to need to do is add some white on the side here. Yep, there we go. This is firming up. Okay, so this fragrance oil is definitely accelerating a little bit because I'm soaping at room temperature. No real difference of what I normally do here, and it's definitely accelerating. Okay, I've got to act fast now. This is going to be interesting. We will make it work. We will do what we need to do to make this beautiful. Okay, get all of that in down at the end. Okay, let's go with the orange. And this definitely smells like some sort of, and I'll save some of this orange for the top. And we'll finish off with some green here. I don't know how this is going to come out because it has definitely accelerated. We'll figure this out, save some of that for the top. Get a whole bunch of white in to the side here. And then we're gonna grab our hanger swirl and see if we can make something work here. Somehow make it look like a butterfly or some sort of swirl. Maybe the Ode to Edna Mode was my one shot at getting this really right. I don't know. We'll find out. The thing with this is you never know what it's going to look like until you cut into it. All right, let's get this in. Oh yeah, this is setting up. All right, good thing I have this ready to go, and I need to turn this away from me. So I'm going to shove this. Oh yeah, this is really setting up. So I'm doing some swirls. Okay. Well, we will see what happens there. I don't know how swirly it's going to be. We'll find out. As I pushed that down, it got very stiff. So now what I think I'm going to do is let's get some of the orange here on top, just whatever I can. Get a little bit here. Yeah, this set up very fast. But that should mean I can unmold it soon. I guess we'll look at that. And it smells really clean. Like if you just want a soap, smelling soap, as strange as that sounds, you may want this one. This may be the absolute perfect one for you. Let's put that there. Let's get the green, kind of put it next to that orange. Line them up in a way. See if we can get some of this to look decent on top. All of the pink is inside. I don't have any more of that to put on top, so it's gonna be a little 70s looking on top, and that's okay, because you're gonna see the entire bar anyway. All right, get this in. And now let me get just scrape little tiny bits left of this white here. There's not a lot. Where can I use more? Middle a little bit. The bottom is always so hard to get. Okay, let's see if there's much else we can get off here. Not really. I'm just gonna kind of smooth that a little bit. Okay, so that got crazy on us. Wouldn't be fun if it didn't do that though. And now, what I'm thinking is, let's see, where is it? I will get a teaspoon measure. I'm debating, do I kind of like swoop this over? Or do I bring the color that way? No, you know what I'm gonna do? Here, I've got this right here. It's just like the tool I use to, yeah, no, that's not gonna work. Okay, we're just gonna grab this and kind of just smush. That's not the prettiest, but it is what it is right now. So we're going for it. I think we're gonna have to cover this in glitter to make this top look decent. What do you guys think? This is getting a little crazy and definitely accelerating it. I swore I always try to look at the fragrances beforehand to make sure that they don't go crazy on me, and clearly I did not see that, or this one is not behaving the way that it said it would. I don't know. Down here looks good. Let's kind of see if we can make the top up here look a little bit better. There we go. Okay. And yeah, we need to glitter this thing up. Oh boy. All right, glitter time, because it needs it for sure. We're doing some hollow glitter, and all these are biodegradable, so it's not going to end up on you. It dissolves in water, so it's only going to stay in here for a little bit. And I suppose, what other colored glitter do I have? Maybe. Oh boy. Let's see. I'm kind of looking and I'm not, I've got all these glitters. I'm thinking maybe this gold, this Sparkle Sunshine. Let's kind of add just a little bit of that here too. I don't know. I'm just trying to make this look a little more appealing because, woo, holy acceleration. Okay. There we go. I don't know if you can see all the glitter all over the place, but okay, that did not go as planned. Yeah, hopefully it looks somewhat okay when we cut into it, because, yeah, about that. All right, we'll see, who knows. All right, I am so curious to see how this looks. So you can tell it's white on one side. We've got the top that looks a lot better than it did in the beginning, and you can already tell that that green has become much better looking. So I don't know what this is going to do, but we may not have a butterfly swirl with this attempt. We'll find out. This is cutting nice. It's definitely firmed up quite a bit. Woo! We didn't see that. All right, so let us grab 2 from the middle and let's open it to see what it looks like. Okay, so we have some swirls. It didn't go as deep as I think we wanted, but I kind of like that. This looks fun. I like the colors. I like that there is a good amount of negative space as well. The quilter in me likes that. Okay, I am definitely happier with how this turned out than I thought I was going to be. So we've got some good swirls. We've got some colors. The green is a little hidden in some of these. Maybe it's going to depend. Okay, we got a little more green in these. Ooh, this one's a good one with the green. That was kind of fun. I love how they're all just a little bit different. And I think that's what I love about them. Very cool. Okay, I was nervous about this. I was definitely nervous. I thought it was too thick and I thought that things weren't gonna look decent, but I think they look really cool. And what I like is that I think each one is going to hold up on its own. If we look at a single one, it just kind of looks cool. Okay, I can breathe now. Let me know what you think. I'll be really curious. Scent-wise, this smells lovely. It does. It has that linen breeze scent, that kind of fresh, kind of sort of laundry detergent, which I think a lot of people may like if you're just looking for a simple soap scent that's not overpowering, that is, ooh, I like that one. That is just kind of good for anyone. So, okay, I was really nervous. I'm not gonna lie. That made me happy. So I will check in with you soon to see how this cures and how the scent and colors hold up. All right, well, that didn't go according to plan, but the end result here is pretty cool. I'm happy with it. I think it really made for a unique design being thicker, and it's got me thinking about how I approach doing butterfly swirls in the future. I think there are benefits and you get different looks when you do it at a thinner consistency versus thicker. So I actually think this was a success in that I learned a lot about the different consistencies of doing butterfly swirls from doing Edna Mode to doing this one. The scent for this, I was like, this smells like clean cotton. Oh yeah, it's a linen breeze. And it really does have that scent to it. I like it. And again, this is one that I think could be really unisex. It's just, it has a really pretty scent to it. I hope you guys really like this. This should be in the shop really soon. If it's not already, I'll have to double check the schedule. But if it is, I'll link it down below. But until the next one, we have one more soap in our New Year, New Technique series, and then I will reveal the theme for February, which I'm excited about. But until next time, create something beautiful, have a fantastic day, and I will see you real soon.